Closing stock adjustment entry. Adjustment entry for closing stock is closing stock account debited to trading account. With this adjustment entry, closing stock account is open in the books of accounts and its balance is transferred to balance sheet asset side, and second effect is given on the credit side of trading account. So first thing is effect of closing stock. Two effects: trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. But by chance closing stock if given in trial balance, if trial balance में closing stock दिया जाए, it has only one effect and that is balance sheet asset side. Reason is the entry for closing stock account debited to trading account is been already passed and closing stock balance is extracted. That is why it appears in trial balance. तो हमें याद सिर्फ इतना रखना है कि closing stock given in adjustment to effect trading credit and balance sheet asset side, closing stock given in trial balance only one effect balance sheet asset side. Now when closing stock is given in trial balance, three possibilities. When in question adjusted purchase is given, its formula is opening stock plus net purchase minus closing stock. If cost of material consumed is given, its formula is opening stock plus net purchase plus purchase expenses minus closing stock. If cost of goods sold is given, then opening stock plus net purchase plus purchase expenses plus production expenses minus closing stock. In all these three cases, adjusted purchase, cost of material consumed and cost of goods sold, closing stock is already calculated. That is why its effect will be given on the asset side of balance sheet. Now second point is valuation of closing stock. Book value or market value, whichever is less, is to be taken into consideration as per prudence principle of accounting. यानी book value और market value में से जो भी less value है वो consider करना है. Question number 19 में closing stock की value 60,000, where 10% goods, 60,000 का 10% goods यानी 6,000 is 20% less, तो 1200 माइनस करने पे 4,800. 60,000 goods में 20% means 12,000 is 10% less, तो 1200 माइनस करने पे 10,800. एंड रिमेनिंग स्टॉक 42,000, हमें ये देने की जरूरत नहीं है. 60,000 का 70% क्योंकि 10 और 20% ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, सो 70% इज 42,000 जिसकी वैल्यू 25% लेस है, तो माइनस करके 31,500. ये थ्री वैल्यू का एडिशन करने पे क्लोजिंग स्टॉक की वैल्यू होगी 47,100. थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. जब मोर वैल्यू बोला जाए तो हमें कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि लेस वैल्यू इज टू बी टेकन इनटू कंसीडरेशन. इफ नो इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर मार्केट वैल्यू, तो बुक वैल्यू एंड मार्केट वैल्यू सेम होती है. और फॉर रिडक्शन अगर रिपेयर्स का दिया जाए, कुछ स्टॉक में रिपेयर्स है तो वो रिपेयर्स हमें माइनस करना है. बाय चांस क्लोजिंग स्टॉक में अगर कोई दूसरा स्टॉक इंक्लूडेड है जैसे एडवर्टीजमेंट मटेरियल स्टॉक, तो उसको भी हमें माइनस कर देना है.